Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So the ADA Rewards World Elite Mastercard is a credit card tailored specifically for dental professionals, offering both consumer and business versions with zero annual fees. Running a dental practice isn't just about patient care. There are equipment expenses, professional memberships, supplies, technology upgrades, and plenty of other operational costs that add up fast. This card is built around that specific challenge, the high overhead that comes with the profession. That's where it really separates itself from general-purpose rewards cards. Instead of focusing on restaurants, travel, or groceries, it rewards the expenses dental professionals already have to pay. Specifically, it offers 5 times points on American Dental Association, State Dental Society, and select ADA Member Advantage endorsed product purchases. If a practice spends thousands of dollars a year on memberships and approved products, that 5 times multiplier stacks up rewards exceptionally fast. And since these are costs the practice is paying anyway, the rewards come naturally from spending that was already happening. Beyond the professional focus, the personal card also covers everyday life. 3 times points on travel, 2 times points on gas and groceries, and 1.5 times points on everything else. That makes it fairly versatile for professionals who want one card covering both work and daily spending. The business rewards version is more streamlined, 2 times points on dental supply purchases and 1.5 times points on all other purchases, designed around keeping a practice running day to day. Points themselves are flexible. You can redeem them for travel, gift cards, cashback, or statement credits, so you're not locked into one redemption style. There's also a travel perk built in, Priority Pass membership, valued at $99 a year, included at no extra cost. That gets you access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide. But here's the catch. You still pay $35 per person, per visit, including guests. So, while the membership is free, actually using it isn't. If you travel often for conferences or training, that could still be worth it, but it's not the complimentary lounge access you'd get with some other premium travel cards. On top of that, you get standard World Elite Mastercard benefits, fraud protection, and additional perks across travel, dining, and entertainment. Now let's talk numbers, because this is where the real decision-making happens. For both the consumer and business cards, the APR on purchases and balance transfers ranges from 19.74% to 26.74%, depending on your creditworthiness and the prime rate. Cash advances are steeper, at 27.74%, and cash advances are generally one of the most expensive ways to borrow, so they should be a last resort. If you're consolidating debt with a balance transfer, expect a fee of 3% of the amount transferred, or $5, whichever is greater. Cash advances carry a similar structure, 4% of the amount, or $10, whichever is greater. Here's the good part. The annual fee is $0, and the foreign transaction fee is also $0. That makes it a genuinely low-cost option to hold, especially if you're ordering equipment internationally or traveling abroad. To avoid interest entirely, pay your full balance by the due date, which falls at least 21 days after your billing cycle closes. Just know there's no grace period on balance transfers or cash advances. Interest starts immediately on those. As for fees, a missed payment brings a late fee up to $25 on the consumer card. The business card uses a tiered structure, up to $19 for balances under $100, up to $29 for balances between $100 and $250, and up to $39 for anything above that. Returned payments cost up to $25 on the consumer side and up to $35 on the business side. An expedited replacement card costs $20, but there's no over-the-limit fee at all. So, is it actually worth having? Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, 5 times points on professional dues and approved products is a genuinely strong feature. Nothing on a standard consumer card comes close. It directly rewards spending dental professionals are already locked into, which takes some of the sting out of high membership costs. Combine that with 0 annual fee and 0 foreign transaction fees, and it's a low-risk card to just keep in your wallet. For business owners, 1.5 times points on everyday expenses also beats the standard 1% most basic cards offer. Now the downsides. That Priority Pass perk sounds premium, but paying $35 per visit makes it feel more like a discount coupon than a true elite benefit. Many top-tier travel cards throw in free lounge visits. The personal card's 2 times points on gas and groceries is also fairly average. Plenty of general market cards beat that rate. And on the business side, 2 times points on dental supplies feels a little low. Considering how expensive dental equipment actually is, you'd expect a card built specifically for the industry to reward that category more aggressively. So here's the bottom line. This card is a specialized tool, not an everything card. It shines when you're funneling mandatory professional expenses memberships, approved products into rewards, all while paying 0 annual fee. But those APRs climbing up to 26.74% mean carrying a balance will erase your rewards fast. The math only works in your favor if you're paying your statement in full every month. If you're a dentist or practice owner who regularly spends on eligible professional expenses and pays off your balance consistently, this card can genuinely earn its place in your wallet. But if you think you'll carry debt on it, the interest costs will outweigh anything you earn in rewards. That's everything you need to know about the ADA Rewards World Elite Mastercard. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more.